So this is another stretch job that we're doing, carpet stretching. We're doing cleaning and stretching. We're using a power stretcher. If anybody comes in your home using anything else, it is not going to work. Okay? It's not going to be permanent. So I'll show you a before, which is now, and then we'll go ahead and do the after. And then we're doing the cleaning in 4 areas. Right here. Got some pet stains there that we'll take care of. We got one room there. Very soiled carpets. I really don't think the camera is doing it any justice. Then we'll hit the stairs. With this cleaning, we are going to be using probiotics. It's our top cleaning product and is far superior than any other cleaning product on the market. If you're not familiar with what it does, just use the same concept. It uses good bacteria to eliminate bad bacteria. We were going to do the sofa, but we decided not to. So as you can see, it is very soiled. But we're going to get it right. This is also a repeat client of mine. Haven't been here in a while, but she invited us over to take care of her carpets again. And we're also going to be doing stretching here too as well. You see the seams, the carpet has been removed from the tack strips. So we'll go ahead and mend that together. All right, guys, stand by. All we're using is the power of probiotics. There's nothing like it on the market. Right, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're all done here. We're actually in Vienna. This room looks amazing. If you guys remember what this looked like. Those were some ink stains. It was going to be specialty work. Let her know she didn't want to spend the money on it. These carpets are really old. But as you can see, it is revived. Looks pretty good. We went ahead and stretched this area right here. Here goes the stairs. Look at this room here. Looks like brand new carpet. We went ahead and fixed the carpet here, stretched it back. As you can see, we fixed it here too as well. If you're in need of carpet cleaning and you're simply looking for the best, because carpets that were this soiled, I don't think most companies can provide like we just did. By using pure probiotics, a low pH cleaner, healthy for you, healthy for your home. I mean, this is the best. This is the kind of work we do. All right. Thank you much.
And I'm like,
Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're here doing some carpets out here in Vienna. We have already done the upstairs. Everything's completed. We did the upstairs. We did some carpet stretching up in one room, and we did carpet stretching here. And we also obviously did cleaning here. My focus is going to be in these two areas here. So how do you think what was the carpets like before we got here?
oh my gosh, after 3 dogs, they were fairly hideous.
Yeah. Yeah.
Without the fairly.
You're just trying to be nice, right?
I know, for myself.
Exactly. But I mean, honestly, the color of this rug was almost like paper bag brown. Would you agree?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, we had no grass in the backyard, so there was a lot of mud, and literally this white carpet had taken on like an orange-brown tint.
Right. And would you say we were able to restore that too as well?
Absolutely, and just saved me so much because I thought it was too far gone, and we were going to have to replace it. And just the value of being able to clean it. It's good quality carpet.
It is.
Have really, returned it to a color I can live with.
Exactly. And also, have you noticed that this is the second time we've been here? The first time was like 3 years ago. We weren't using probiotics then. Do you see a distinct difference between the probiotic and the chemicals that we used to use before?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, there is no smell at all.
No chemical smell,
No chemical
nothing.
smell. I mean, it's clean in here. But there's no chemical, there's no soapy smell, there's no any kind of smell. It's just clean. And the roto thing is amazing.
She's talking about our Rotovac. And then you made I don't think you thought I heard you, but you made a comment and you said, I don't think I need my air fresheners anymore. Isn't that the comment you made? I mean, it's just a testament to what probiotic does. So thank you for hiring us again. Obviously, we're going to build from here, and you're one of my good clients, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.